Gun Magnet World recently sent me out their 2-pack of magnetic gun mounts. I'm so glad they did because these things are awesome. First of all, very easy to use, intuitive design. This is a magnet that's going to hold 30 pounds. So essentially any handgun you have is going to be under that 30 pounds. Even a Desert Eagle fully loaded is not going to be 30 pounds. So I tend to use mine with my Glock 19. This is super simple design, very low profile, so it's not going to get in the way under the dash of your truck or your car, under your desk at work. Easy to install. You can see that it's got some 3M double-sided tape. Pull that off. That's intended to just temporarily hold it in place while you drill and screw in your screws, which are provided in the kit. And then from there, you just simply take your slide and mount it right up to that. So what I use these for, being that it's a 2-pack, is that I have one underneath the desk in my workshop. And so when I'm working or out and about around the shop, I've got my gun mounted underneath there. Then at the end of the day, I remove it. I go to my truck. I've got the other one under the dash. It's discreet. Nobody can see it. Your gun isn't going to fall into the floor, but it's at the ready if you were to ever need it. So this is a very convenient, super easy to install kit that you're really going to enjoy, and the price is right. I mean, you cannot beat the price for what you get. So check these out from Gun Magnet World.